Yo, 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 yo. Welcome to Crypto Banter. Welcome to the best community in the world, guys. What are we currently looking at? Obviously, Bitcoin. It's been such a crucial level the last 2-3 days. Hold the 200, hold the 200, hold the 200. And as you can see right now, we are holding up on the 200 right now. What does this mean for the weekend? It's important to have a bit of a game plan because we are at such a crucial level. But first, before we get into that, guys, I need you to hit that like. I need you to hit that subscribe button. I need you to join the best community in the world. Why? Firstly, we got each other's back. We go through thick and thin together. We are here twice a day, every day, with the 6 a.m. charting show, as well as the 4 a.m. Fundamental show, as well as our microdose channel, guys. Make sure you hit and like the microdose channel as well. That is a channel for us to come to you guys, to come to everyone live if there's anything big happening in the market. If Bitcoin moves quickly, that's where I'm going to be accessing a nice 10-15 minute short video update for you guys. So the main thing is, guys, you are basically joining a family where we have updates 24/7, as well as a talented community. I've been having a look. There's a lot of amazing charters out there. There's a lot of talent sitting in the community. And the main thing is you are not alone in this big world that may seem quite difficult and quite tricky. At least you have a full community that's got your back. Everyone wants to succeed. Everyone wants to make money. So I think, remember, guys, it's Mr. Rand's birthday. Let's kick it off. Let's get the show on the road. Let's hit it, Luke.
Happy birthday, Ren, to you today. Happy birthday, I wish you the best. Happy birthday, Ren, to you today. God bless you every day. God bless you every day. And God bless you every day. Happy birthday, Ren. We wish you only the best. Thank you very much. And don't forget to smash those likes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Smash those likes.
Smash those likes. That sounds very familiar, Rand. Is that the Crypto Banter for you?
It sounds like the brothers that did Crypto Banter for you. Great guys.
It is.
Is that them?
It is.
Amazing. You can hear it. Smash those likes.
Thank
How
you,
you feeling,
guys.
bud? How you feeling?
Yeah, I've been sleeping the whole day, so I've been a little bit out of touch. Just tuned on to get onto your stream, onto our stream.
Amazing.
Haven't had a quick look at the markets. I think I was right earlier. I think that it was. I think that the trouble is over, and it looks to me like this market's about to take off. I don't know. That's what I'm feeling.
It's looking bullish.
It's looking bullish. It's just Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is above 47. Yeah, it's way above 47 now. But it's altcoins. Arweave, Tornado Cash, XRune, Luna. The altcoins are flying. Solana flying. Jira Wallet flying. Even the small caps, Bird is starting to start flying again. So, yeah, it looks like it's altcoins.
Amazing. It's like maybe for your birthday, Bitcoin will go to 50K. Hopefully.
I don't really care about Bitcoin. Bitcoin should just stay here. It's just the alts that I want.
Yeah, but if Bitcoin goes to 50, you know where the alts are going.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I think we should do? We should call. I think since it's like the normal Friday show, we don't have a banter. We should get that guy Crypto Face. Remember him?
I think actually, yes.
Remember him? Okay, hold on.
No problem.
I want to get Freddy. Let's get Freddy. I think he can get Crypto Face first. Hold on a second. Freddy.
Yeah.
Get Crypto Face first.
Crypto Face.
I want to know how he's playing this thing. I want to know how he's playing this market.
Talking about the market Cipher King.
That guy with the mask. Get him on the line. Let me know.
DJ.
The DJ of DJs.
Give me a minute. I'll get him on.
Amazing. Are you going to do that, Freddie? Get that going.
Let him know when you got him. Yeah, that's what I love about Freddie. You can tell him anytime to bring on anyone, and he just accesses his black book, and then he brings them on. It's amazing. Shaldino, let's look at the charts. Let's look at the trends.
Let's do it, buddy.
And then we'll bring in Crypto Face.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, guys. So obviously, same thing as this morning. Bitcoin hold 56k, 46k. Sorry. If we do lose 46k, 42 is the next support. But for now, we are holding 200-day moving average. From this, if we remain above 200-day, I do see us making our way to the 51 to the 53k level, and obviously having a look with that and where we're looking at with dominance. So dominance is still in the same, beautiful rejection of the trend. So as soon as the markets are turning bullish again and Bitcoin turns bullish, dominance drops, altcoins are moving again. So guys, there's no fear in the market at
That's the
all
bullish
right now.
sign. That's the bullish sign. That's my bullish sign. That's the
And
one indicator that's telling me there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
And as I can see here, we're starting to get a nice bit of momentum to the upper side from the Ethereum dominance. So as long as Ethereum's also leading the market, we know the altcoins are definitely in. And I was having a look at there we go. If I have a look at the total too, which is the market cap of the altcoins, so excluding Bitcoin, you can see we are still well in trend. So even though Bitcoin is showing a little bit of weakness and the total market cap is showing a little bit of weakness, you can see it's clearly not coming from the alts. It's definitely coming from Bitcoin. So this is still a good sign. And this was just a good little pullback. Come test support. We have bullish divergence as well playing out over here. So good. Altcoins all the way. Altcoins all the way.
Let's get. I see we do have a guest in the studio. Okay, you gotta love this guy. You just gotta love Freddie.
Crypto
yeah. Can you guys hear me?
We can. How's it going, man?
Man, I almost missed you guys because I had the time wrong, and dude, I was just about to go to sleep because I was trading all night, and so I hopped in the shower, got the kind of Motley Crue trailer thing
amazing
going on here. But yeah, man, thanks for having me on, dude. I appreciate it. Happy birthday, dude. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm getting better. I just need to keep sleeping and I'll be good. Thank you.
Awesome, dude. It's good to see you too.
So listen,
I was watching you last night too, man. Good to see you guys.
Love to hear how you're trading this. Are you trading this? Of course you're trading this.
Yeah. Yesterday I was actually do you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, share your screen. That'd have to be the best.
This is like perfect time, dude. This is perfect time. We actually got some like good action going on right now. So let me go ahead, share screen. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, this is actually my trade. This is yesterday. At the beginning of the day, I actually entered a little short. I wanted to get at like 3150 on ETH. I got on like 3120, 3130, and made like 10 or 12 grand. And we donated it to the veterans from the stuff that kind of happened yesterday. We donated to a veteran fund. But at the end of the day, we had a little Twitter poll because I was kind of seeing both sides. There was good signs. It's been really hard to be a bull and really hard to short because the moves haven't been coming down hard. So we fired off a long story short. At first it was 500 and then made it a mil and then made it 1.5. So right now we're up about 44,000 on that. So
amazing,
taking off right now. Okay, can you see my chart right here?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so
you see Sheldon, that's trading, bro.
What? Crazy things going. No one understands it though. That's the only thing. It's a lot going on. We understand it.
Man. You guys have me like puffing on my thumb to puff up like SpongeBob, man, to get ready for you guys, dude. So what I was worried about yesterday is we're on the 6 hour with Ethereum, and this big fatty green wave going to the red wave. These waves represent money flow into the asset pair. How much money is actually there? I like tracking the money. And so, I mean, it's been cliff diving and diverging down on the 6 hour. And what it reminded me of was you actually don't need to look too much farther back, actually, on the same chart with ETH when we topped out and dropped, what was this, 50%? Yeah, maybe even more, 60%. But it didn't, and it moved what, maybe 8% or so. And there's a couple little things different. There's still some conflicting indications, but it's every time we come down to these support levels, man, it just seems to hold. And the bear signs, it's going down. Like, okay, yeah, we made money on our short, went down a little bit, but not like it has before. when things are a little more rickety. So interesting stuff, man. So yeah, right now my money is long, and right now we're doing good.
What are you thinking
Wow,
next, bud? What are you know what I mean? I obviously have the bit of the thoughts that obviously 200 days is a big thing just psychologically for the normal retail traders. But from here, what is your key bullish level and your key bearish level? Because I'm thinking short-term pullback, this is what this was. But what is your level to worry about? There's a lot of guys saying there's a possibility that Bitcoin goes back to 30. You know, what are your thoughts? Do you have a bullish and a bearish scenario? So let's say for me, example, I don't want us really to go below 42. We go below 42, you know what I mean? It starts to worry me. And if we break 53, that's my bullish scenario where I think 60 is coming quite quickly. What are you thinking?
Man, so you know, I don't really get worried because I you know, I'm in and out, but to be honest, I feel like I couldn't answer that question even if I tried, because when I have tried recently, it hasn't been right. You know, when we were at 30K, I thought we were going to go lower, and it's still. I would have to say the most important number for me would have to be the resistance we were at you know, this 50K. This was, what was that, like a 40%? Geez, that's 60, 70%.
Sure. I see the markets are waking up.
Am I doing something wrong here?
Ethereum's moving.
And so there was a lot of resistances right here. There was Fibonacci's, there was this head and shoulders, you know, right here that you could technically draw. There's all different kinds of support resistances from all different, you know, walks of TA and that were conjoining at that one point. So that 50K, this 50K is important. And that's why I've kind of been on the lurk. That's why yesterday morning I was trying to get a couple shorts in, because the flow of cash has decreased overall, right? So this was July 3rd. This is July 30th right here. The amount of money in the asset pair has decreased. Doesn't mean the price can't still go up. There's just less people like buying and selling, right? But, you know, eventually it's going to have to give way unless there's a new injection of cash. So what I'm looking for on the lower time frames is stuff just like this. This chart's a little messy. Let me go to a different chart that's not so messy.
Okay, so you're sort of trading it as it goes right now. Very similar to me. You know what I mean? Not too sure. I just know specific levels. Damn, I see the Ethereum's waking up. Amazing.
Yeah, dude.
Everything's about to wake up here.
That's looking bullish. That's looking very bullish. Yeah.
Yeah. So
hold
right
on, let's
now
get Sheldon's each
hourly. Okay. Now with
get
market cipher, this is kind of lining up to what I call just be it's a textbook, what I call basic strategy market cipher. You have your deep momentum waves, and you have a fatty green dot down here, a big one. Then you start to see these blue waves are momentum. You start to see these waves getting smaller and smaller. This money flow is super important. This red, let me make it bigger. This red wave, what we want to see is curvature. Curvature is beautiful, right? Just like on a fine woman, or to a woman, a fine man. The curves are nice. That's what we want. Curves give us like stability. So when we see this circle coming in like 3/4, 2/3 in, we see momentum coming up. We see VWAPs coming up. We see RSIs coming up. We see all these things going up. That's when we make our move and you pull the trigger. And you know what? Sometimes the price has to go down a little bit more. So it's still got to diverge. But normally, man, when you got something like this, worst case scenario, normally the price goes down like one more time and then it goes back up even higher. Take that with a grain of salt because there's so many scenarios. But right now, man, this is like the perfect long on an hourly. So I know I'm talking a lot, but I want to spit out one more thing that's super important. I think with any type of TA or indicators you use, what you got to do is measure the time. So what I do is I'm going to draw my own little make-believe. Okay, let's say this red money flow comes into the green money flow, and it looks like this, right? Kind of like previous history, right? So I just kind of make it my best assumption guesstimatization. So technically, right, if you look back here, you probably want to, when we're high in the greens, that's when, you know, you're looking to sell, when the price is looking good. So I'm going to guess maybe high in the greens going to be around here. So when is that going to be? It's timing the market that so many people have a problem with. I'm pretty damn good at it if you ask some of my community, you know what I'm saying?
Amazing.
To my own horn, but it's the truth, man. And that's just because I use a ruler. It's been invented for centuries. Use it.
Yeah.
So boom. Okay, you go, okay, boom. let me grab the ruler and boop, make my assumption that says 2 days, right? Dang, an hour, and an hour long trade can take 2 days. Yeah, it could take a day and it could change. And so you're always adjusting. So, get involved with your charts, man. Like if you see a pattern,
And those indicators that you got over there now, how are they looking on the higher time frames? How are they looking on the daily?
Okay. Yeah, no,
let's have a look.
All right. Well, let's dance, bro. Let's
dance, dude. Let's dance.
Okay. Oh,
I love the drawings.
This was my prophecy. This is what you see right here. Okay, everyone, take a pen to the paper. This was actually my prophecy called the Three Amigos, the Four Horsemen of Bitcoin. It was technically I was 55% right because the price came down 55% from the brim, so I'm 55% right. But let me go ahead.
I love it.
Actually, we'll keep the Amigos up here. We can keep them here. So if we look at on the weekly, you had a momentum clip when you have there's two parts of the momentum wave. When the light part cuts into the dark, momentum is preceding on price. And a lot of big dog traders and institutions have discovered and are really leaning into momentum, and that momentum is a leading indication to price action, not lagging, or the least lagging on the smallest scale. So that's what I like to use. And so boom. Do you have a question, brother?
No. I was having a look. So you're saying it's a leading indicator. That's quite good. I think a lot of people don't understand the moving averages and how far delayed everything actually is.
Oh my Lord, dude. I mean, you're talking about like golden crosses and all these crosses.
Yeah, the damage is done.
60%.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. So I need, people need something better than that. And that's why I'm not trying to like sound too shilly or anything. At the end of the day, like the proof's in the pudding. We have tens of thousands of members, and like people are doing really good at a very high rate.
Amazing.
So here's what I'll tell you. Okay, so we're on the 3-day. We have a lot of cross things, some good and bad. So on the 3-day, we see here that we have a momentum wave that is clipping, and so you can imagine this wave could actually clip and come to the downside, right? Okay, that's a little scary, right? Now, that doesn't mean that has to happen. A lot of times we have this 60 line marked right here on Market Cipher B, and it's super important because when we have a wave come up above it and you have a red dot, normally there's at least one more. So normally it means that there is just like a break and maybe a little pullback, but normally there's at least one continuation, if not more. If you like just come back, for example, in the past, this might not be the best time frame, but it's pretty good. You see that, okay, boop, it came close to it. There was one more.
Oh, there we go. I see.
One more in the future. Okay. This is a large time frame, but it checks out. So no definite answers there. When you go down to the 2-day, now you see that money is coming in. At the 3-day, we see money it's stopped here, right? So it's coming down. Oh no, and then boop, this is support. So in bull markets, this zero line is support on this money. That's what makes this money flow tool one of the things that make it so good is how attuned it really is in this zero line. So this thing came to stops right here. If this starts turning up, bro, that's what we start looking to our lower time frames. Oh, we got some green here, and we want this green to keep coming to start bleeding into the higher time frames. You know what I'm saying? Just like any other indicator. So
so you're sort of there's one thing I would like to chat to you about. Like when you're obviously getting into, you say you're a short-term trader in and out at times. Your little take profit strategy, or have you got a key tip for the guys as well with taking profits in these bull markets? Because I feel like a lot of people are repeating the cycle. You know what I mean? A lot of people are, as soon as you ruin your momentum, then all of a sudden you get trapped and you end up buying the green again and selling the red, and you sort of get stuck in this rut. What do you do for taking profits? What is your little strategy with that? Do you have a certain point that's where I'm getting at, or do you wait for your indicator to show you some sort of weakness or some sort of sign, or do you ladder out?
Yeah, and so there's always varying factors, but at the end of the day, I really have one core principle that I can give you that I've learned and built off of, and that is what you said with laddering. with my short-term trades, with my long-term hodl, or any trade, whether it's short-term, long-term, anything I'm doing, stop losses, I never enter all in at once. I chop it up into 4 or 5. And the way I put it is, if you have a bow and arrow and you got to hit a target from 40 yards away, would you rather have 1 arrow, or 4? And, maybe there's, your fruit patch is sitting there. And if you miss, you're going to hit your fruit patch on accident. You know what I'm saying? To add a little spice to it or some shit. That was a terrible analogy. But the point is you'd rather have 4 arrows than 1. You know what I'm saying?
And your profits, does it go into USDT or Bitcoin?
It depends it depends on the exchange. Like with Femex, if you're trading Bitcoin, you get Bitcoin. With shit coins, you get USDT. It's kind of different per exchange. So
shit coins.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's take a look at Ripple real quick, dude. So if you
I've been bullish on Ripple. I'm just waiting. I've been waiting. So Ripple and Doge. I don't know about you, but these are the two that I filled some bags, and I'm pretty patient. But I do have a feeling a big pump is coming for those. I'd love to hear your thoughts on them.
So Doge, huh, man? Okay, so
we can't ignore it anymore. We can't ignore it anymore. I was a big hater of Doge, but we just cannot ignore it anymore.
Okay, that's fair, dude. My some of my closest friends and family have been holding Doge since like 8 or 9 cents, man. So
wow.
Let's pull up Doge, dude. Let's give the people what they want, because everything else looks pretty much the same. Doge. Whoa, she's at 28 cents again. Oh my gosh, hooray for Doge. Oh my lord, you guys are almost at like all-time highs again. Dude, if I'm a doji, dude, you're good. Okay, so I mean, we have, all right, so we're on the 2 hour. We got, first off, a lot of deep momentum down here, and you can just kind of like connect these lines to kind of see like, ooh, see how momentum kind of boop, and now it's coming down, and we're starting to see some signs that this might be curving up. Money flows curving up, nice little curvature there. We see these RSIs. These are both RSIs starting to curve up here. This might be
looking pretty good.
It's hard for me to say.
I know, me too. But I got a feeling. I just have a feeling for Doge
too, bro. That's why. Like, like I said, I'll sit here and stand all day and say, I thought it was going down to 20. I even thought it was going down to 13K possibly, right? And so, bro, I got that funky feeling too, man. I'm. What I think.
So you also got the tingles.
I hope I can always, keep different, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Amazing. And then XRP, what's your thoughts on that? Are you XRP lover? Well, my tinglies are going off. I'm starting to get those tingles. Tingles.
Ripple, dude. Ripple honestly is like a love-hate relationship. Most of the time, it's a hate relationship. It's really painful.
Me too.
Yeah, there's I think these last 2 weeks was like the 3rd time in my life where I had like a 2-3 week hitting that Ripple. We drew some. I threw up some trend lines, some of these spider lines, like I do on Bitcoin. I did this actually yesterday for the first time. Went to the weekly on Ripple, hiking a she, boom. Threw it over the same time where I do it Bitcoin, and boom, it came right up to support line. So, dude, this is actually what got me out of the short yesterday that I was telling you about. So I'll exit shorts. Like I'll look at the Ripple. If I got a hit on Ripple, then I'll get out of all my crypto. Like crypto's doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So this spider line, this trend line, it was coming right down to it, tapped it, and I got out of my shorts, dude. So this
amazing.
puppy can. Boom, here we go again. Okay, so you got money flow coming in right here. Not saying it's going to take off forever. We're on the 1 hour, but you want to buy in the red, dude. You buy in the red. And if money flow's increasing, look at that. Your big green dot, your fat momentum's getting higher. Like a rock star, bro. You see this?
And then obviously, so
I'm long and Ripple too. I'll long some of that shit right fucking now. Excuse my French, but let's go ahead and throw
long it, buddy. Long it.
134,000 at Ripple. We can probably do a little more.
Markets are waking up.
We're already late. So yeah, let me get a little bit of that. So we'll
While you're busy there, I'm
do
gonna
that.
show
Yeah,
here
400 on
quickly.
Ripple, 1.5 on ETH, and maybe we'll throw something at Bitcoin here too. We're a little late. Let me take a little bit more of a peek at Ripple because I want to get some confidence on that trade. And yeah, I mean, if this thing was to kind of like break down and it's painful to be wrong with Ripple, but
Yeah, Ripple is another, but wow, it's starting to, it's breaking 4-hour trend. Good sign. Volume starting to increase a little bit, and obviously Bitcoin has broken back into trend again. So that's big. Ethereum's just broken out.
yeah,
Markets are damn bullish. Markets are very bullish.
dude, I know, dude. Like, I mean, yeah, this
Uncle
is
Ran
Look at
told you.
Cardano. Look at Cardano.
Uncle Ran told you guys. Uncle Ran told you.
You said wait for futures close. When was now it's going. I said obviously went well.
Futures closed. Futures closed.
It obviously
Dude, you
went
called
well.
it yesterday. I watched that. You said that,
Yes.
and there was worry. You know, like I said, I was short too, bro. But you said you're like it ain't nothing, bro, until tomorrow, man. Like, dude, you got it, bro. You got it. Happy birthday.
There we go. Futures are now closed. Look at the markets.
Yeah, they're pumping.
Yeah, and it's alts.
Wow. Okay,
Look
we'll go through them now.
Look at the Bitcoin dominance. Look at the Bitcoin dominance.
Tanking. It's all working to plan.
Tanking.
Beautiful, beautiful,
It's
beautiful.
exactly what I said.
It's pumped. Look, Cardano breakout. Look at Ethereum breakout. Everything starting, and obviously have a look at the dominance.
For the next 12 days, no, 15 days.
Oh, we're
it's
about to break
Cardano.
support. Look at this. We're about to break support on dominance. This is going to be big. We've been holding here now for the last 10 days. We break this now.
What did I
this
tell
big
you?
acceleration to the downward side.
Yesterday?
Okay. Well, instead of us, what are we buying? What are we in? Let's have a look.
All right, let's put in
see what
those
the
trades,
community
guys. Let's
needs.
put in those trades.
Let's have a look. Let's take
Put in
some
those
love.
trades, bro.
I'm having a look in the comments here. Guys, put your coins. Let's go through some coins. Let's have a look. So Ripple, we're definitely bullish on.
Let me take a look at Cardano because, like, I know there's
Have a
just. Man,
I wouldn't buy
I'm
now,
surprised,
though. I wouldn't buy now, though.
Cardano was looking hot on the 1 hour. I mean, look at this. The proof's in the pudding. Let me make this a little bigger here, right? So, boom, look at this beautiful curvature. You want to get in there at like 3/4, 2/3 when you're kind of seeing it confirmed. Even it still ain't too late. We start seeing this break up. RSI's coming up. When these RSIs are green and purple, they're oversold. And so, I mean, this thing, normally there's like an inch. So you see how these RSIs green, boom, they just turn red. A lot of times after like an inch, boom, you'll see it take off. But right here, it's already taken off, dude. So like when these RSIs switch, I mean, how long was this? This was, this went up 30%, man. I mean, she's in 4 days. Like, yeah, dude. I mean, Cardano wasn't moving for a long time. Cardano was kind of the odd kid at the lunch table for a long time. So, you know, it's kind of due some good action that others might not have, in my opinion.
I think a few of them. I think like Matic. I still think Dot and Link. I feel a lot of them are still very far behind. And I feel the market's just popping at different times. I think let's get some charts going here quickly before we do miss it out, guys. So even for the short term, guys, this is a good breakout for Dot. We were speaking about the support trend line test coming down, testing beautifully, and you can see we are now breaking 8 hour. And what either usually happens, you might get it on a small time frame, usually quick break, quick test, and continuation. But either way, both buys I'm looking to add up in the zone here for Dot. So Dot, I'm definitely going in on the short term and higher time frame. You know, Dot, I'm not sure if you're a fib man. I love just using the fibs just for a nice little projection, more or less, because I don't like entering a trade without at least knowing at some point where should I take profits. And the reason why is because this market is designed to give you the money and take it away from you. So if you don't have some sort of plan at any point of taking some sort of profits along the way, it is going to eventually take those profits back. Someone else is going to take it. So Dot, having a look at this breakout, you know, it can take us to $33 to the 1618. So Dot is definitely one of the favorable ones that I'm looking at now. I see Chainlink not just there just yet. It is looking good. It's still investment wise. I still feel we got a lot of catching up. I wouldn't take it too much on the short time frame just yet.
I think that you're looking at all the wrong coins. I think it's degen coins that are flying now. I think it's the smaller caps that are absolutely exploding now.
How degen are we talking?
I'll tell you. Look at Charlie 3.
Yeah, but these are smaller parts of the portfolio. You know, we got to look after the bigger part
Yeah.
first, and then the smaller one. Because those small ones, yeah, they make you money, but damn, you can half your money very quick too.
Yeah. DGen coins.
See,
That's
Rune.
what's running today.
Rune, I'm sure still definitely. Between both the calls this morning, it should already be 7, 8, 9% up, and we're well on our way. You know, Matic's only getting to the point
That's
now
what I
of
said.
testing that trend.
But look at XRune, which was it was at
some
40
Bitcoin
cents.
long tier 2.
Let's do it. Let's put it live on the screen.
For sure. Okay, you're able to see. Yeah, boom. So we got 1.2. I just added 1.2 mil with Bitcoin. I'm just taking a look at it. I mean, looking at the hour, this looks like it's just getting started. I feel like we can at least come back up and into the area, at least 4 or 5%. I'm at 4.7, 5x leverage, somewhere around there. So I mean, 4%, 18, 20% move. We can even just get there. And so we got 1.2. Yeah. So I might even look at Cardano, man. We might just for the people.
Amazing. I'm still a big KCS. I still think, guys, Kucoin token for the safer part of your investment. Longer term hold, definitely. I still think it's big. So, Ran, the man, give us some DJs there. What are we charting, bud?
Hold on, I
Kusama,
want
beautiful
to see
bands.
crypto faces trade. I want to see crypto faces trades. How's it? I'm more excited watching the trading.
I think I'm looking at Cardano here and seeing like if it's. I mean, it's just, man, this thing is just starting to break out. Like, look at these RSIs. Like, boom,
guys,
right
you have 12 days of Cardano going up until smart contracts happen. That's the buy the rumor, sell the news. There's 12 to 15 days until the 15th of September. And then I think on the 15th of September, 12th of September, you're going to get this bucket of Cardano projects coming online. So I think you can buy Cardano safely now, as long as the market holds.
I'm gonna start calling you before I enter these positions, man. I'm like, I need the beeper, bro. We're gonna have to beep each other. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Cardano is just too high for me to buy now.
Look at XRune. Sheldon, put on XRune.
I saw from this morning. It's looking good.
Yeah, we called it this morning at 42. Now it is. Are you looking at it against ETH?
Yeah, against ETH. But either way, I couldn't find another chart. But either way, it should be at least 25 to 27% in profits.
Yeah, and Luna just had another.
It's taken off, dude. ETH, baby.
Luna just had a breakout.
I
saw that. Even Arweave. I'll have
Coin panel as well. Coin panel also.
Yeah, there we go. Let's go to Luna.
Guys, if you want crypto faces indicators, there is a market cipher link in the description of the show. You can click that and you'll join up, and at the same time you do support our channel. So if you want the indicators, they're all there.
Yeah, I mean, and we don't just like sell you some like one line indicator and drop you off. We got tutorials. We are moving from Discord because of the terrible scammers. Like, anytime someone comes into our Discord, dude, there's someone that has the same ID as me that's messaging them. Don't respond to anyone. I'll never message you. No one's ever going to message you on Discord to try to get money from you. So don't fall for that stuff. So remove Discord.
I can't believe it. It's very bad.
We got the official user guide. Like when you're on the crapper in the morning, dude, you just need something to read. Like we'll even read it to you. Here, I'm trying to flip the pages here. It makes little sounds. Like we have a sexy lady read it to you. Can you hear that?
Yeah, we can.
I hope you can.
All right, Sheldino, let's do some charts. Hold on, Sheldino. So what do you watch? Let's look at Luna.
Yeah, so Luna's good. I'm just, investment-wise, I'm very tough to be entering now. Short term, I think there's some money to be made because I think it's going to go, and I do think it's going to go close to the $40 region next. The only thing is to buy now for long term. I would wait. I know we always come down and test support, so I'd wait for support buy. Short term, definitely, no problem. I'm a little bit more bullish on Matic. Chart-wise.
Arweave finishes next week at $40.
Arweave, I agree. because if you have a look here on the daily, we're about to break daily trend again. So Arweave,
it's gonna finish next week at $40.
I agree. Maybe even more. Maybe even more.
Yeah. DFYN.
So that's. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I've been holding and filling up the bags every time we've been getting to these zones. Let's see what it's done.
Down. It's down. It's gonna go up.
Okay, it is down. It's damn cheap. Can't believe how cheap it is, though. Wow. Okay, so it's all the way at the bottom of the range. All the way.
Too cheap.
Yeah. That's very, very. That's at the bottom of the range. So that's good. That's good. Are we back? Okay, cool. What else, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the thing. Cool. FTM. You know, a lot of the ones we've been going through, guys, it's the same analysis. You know, FTM. I see Arweave was losing quite a bit of steam. BNB taking its time. Cake, I still think is a good investment. I still think it's really got a good push from Cake. If we have a look at FTM.
How's Steam doing? Steam's platform. Are they still doing their thing? Are people still blogging there and using it?
I have no idea. I haven't heard of anybody using Steam forever.
Well, it probably looks like shit on the charts then, doesn't it?
Probably. Steam.
Those are the shit coins you want to be in though, man, because those are the ones that pump the hardest, dude. When everyone's run away, you know what I'm saying? As long as there's someone that still works in the building. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%. Alrighty, guys. Listen, I think we should leave it at that for today. I'm gonna get back into bed.
Kusama is still the buy for me. I'd still say Kusama just to close off. Yeah, Kusama still looks amazing. FTM looks really good to add positions. Matic. What else did we go through this morning? GRT, I still think is a great buy. I'm just buying the ones that haven't just gone just yet. Dot and Link, I still think are big. Coti finally came down and tested that zone. So let's get that up. Definitely add on a Coti. I know you'll agree with me, Rune.
Yeah, add on.
Okay, we actually just bought. So Coti, you know, you're catching it a decent amount off the previous high. And yeah, XRP. I don't know. We'll see. I filled my bags. It looks good. Let's see if it does something. And obviously, Rune. I'm still very bullish on Rune. That's it for the weekend, guys.
I'm going for my 4 or 5% if that works. Thanks for having me. Sorry to cut you guys off.
Love you guys madly.
Have an amazing one, guys. Ran, have a fantastic birthday, buddy.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome.
Happy birthday, Rune, to you today. Happy birthday, I wish you the best. Happy birthday, Rune, to you today. God bless you every day. God bless you every day. And God bless you every day. Happy birthday, Rune. We wish you only the best. Thank you very much. And don't forget, smash those likes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Haha. Amazing. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm so happy the market's waking up. Very happy.
What a legend.
Really?
What a legend.
Ethereum.
Let's see. Pull it. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
We're going, buddy. We're going. This market's
Uncle
extremely
Ryan.
bullish.
Is it early night for you tonight?
For me, I'm gonna get back into bed now, man.
Alrighty. Wow. Love you.
All right. It's beer o'clock.